Okay, and we're back with another video. We are in IKEA. Just in case. We need a desk, we need a desk chair. Don't know what other bits we're gonna get. I will try keep this as condensed as possible. I'm running out of storage. We've got the Wi-Fi installation coming in, electric sorted. Like until I get Wi-Fi, I can't fucking upload my videos because I'm not gonna upload it on like my phone plan, gigabytes. So the idea of today is we've just driven to Brisbane pretty much in a 30-minute drive. The weather is really nice. It's raining, so it's nice and cool. So the idea. That way. You tell me, I don't mind. Follow the arrows. So yeah, 30-minute drive. We've made it into the one and only IKEA, a man's wet dream. Well, you know what I mean. I'm just gonna get dragged around. To be honest, I like coming here because I've got to get a few bits. We just need a bed base, a desk, and a desk chair. We get news on Monday for the job, so hopefully, you know, we had a few hiccups days. We had a day where we just completely broke down and full of like, you know, stress and all the build up, but that's normal. We're back on our feet. We're tackling everything. We still got to get the car changed in our name. Got to send my old work phone off as well. What else? Just getting a few bits, just trying to get everything organized. I went, obviously, you saw the video, I went job applying, well, you know, job seeking, and I need to send a few emails, which I'm going to do. And as well as that, Courtney's applied for her certificate to do her license, which I'm going to do as well. We're just kind of getting her out of the way first, and then me, because we want to ideally find out the location where she's going to be working, and then I'm going to try work in that area as well, which ideally is the Gold Coast, because that's like a half-an-hour drive and we don't want to be like in opposite directions. And then we still haven't picked a gym. Well, we have picked the gym, it's just we're on a budget at the moment, so we're just training from home. So yeah, I'm not going to bore you with too many more details, but we are here in the one and only IKEA. Probably send the boys a few options and see what's here, but they've gone out off-roading today, which I'm a bit jealous about, but there's only a certain amount of space. Z-rats. There's only a certain amount of space in the car, so I get that. Yeah, I'm gonna lock in because I need to lock in and help Court make some decisions. Anything to say?
Look at the light on my...
Oh, I appreciate the comments, by the way. People have been commenting. We hit 119 subs, so we're like slowly building, which is quite cool. Treating this as a hobby, let's just have fun and keep going. There we go. Exciting stuff. We've got green TV. Fun. Yeah, so we've got a massive, huge brown leather sofa, which is a bit, not gonna lie, but gave it a clean all yesterday. And then we've got a huge dining table that we got for free. So we're gonna post it and see if we can sell it and get some money, and then buy another dining table that actually fits the space. Yeah, we're making our way to the bedroom section, just because we mainly need the desk and the desk chair, just so we can start cracking on and you know, focusing on our work a bit more. We haven't even been here a week yet, but we've got so much done already. We've got the car. I'm going to specify a video on the car, and the last video would have been when we were in the Gold Coast. The walk we did in the Gold Coast was insane. But yeah, the car's all nice and split and span. We've got it booked into the garage for next Thursday. Yeah, next Thursday, and then once that's through, just it needs the back brake light doing. We need to change the oil. Just want to give it some TLC like I mentioned. And yeah, we're taking a hit on the finances, but we knew that was happening. Cookie's coming in a month, so he's costing us an arm and a leg, but he's my baby, so he's coming. Dedicate a video to that as well. Trying to think, is there any more to update you on? I'm just following Courtney like a penguin right now. Okay, so we like this dash chair. It's really nice and comfy. Seeing what other options we've got. That's not bad, but it's got the arms. We don't want the arms on it because we want it to just go underneath. Yeah, that's well expensive for what it is. Yeah, we want like an armless chair, really. Maybe some of them are well expensive for what they are. It's a dash chair. And these are the desks. These are all the desks. Fucking hell, look at the size of that. She's calling me. She's calling me. She's calling me. Yeah? Where is she? Where is she? Oh, there she is. Let's see. Well, that's a part of it. I think that lifts up, yeah, and then you put your plugs in there.
It's not bad.
No, it's not bad. I like that. Okay, so we've gone for this little setup here. This and that one, but in white. So hopefully they've got it in white. That's actually the same desk as Sunny's. Yeah, so chose the desk, chose the desk chair, and now we're choosing the bed. But I'm pretty sure we're going to get the same bed that we had in Spain, just because it had drawers underneath it. Made it a lot easier to pack stuff underneath. That one's got 3 drawers underneath it. So it's this one.
$299 for just the bed frame?
Just the bed frame.
You don't want the headboard, do you?
This one's got 3 drawers underneath it.
Yeah, but it's a lot more.
Is it? We used to have that headboard as well, actually. That's the nicer headboard.
I don't like it anymore.
I mean, compared to the other one, it's horrible. That one's horrible.
I think just having the bed frame is fine.
Yeah, the bed frame. I agree. We'll have a look at other beds and see.
$749 for this bed frame.
$749 for that bed frame. Fuck off. Yeah, that's nice, but that's like you're like triple the amount. Oh, exciting stuff, this, isn't it? Adult stuff.
$249.
Right, let me get this done. Okay, so we might be making a quick change of decisions because we've messaged someone on Facebook for the same bed, and it's literally like half the price, even less, and then a desk and a chair, which is literally like 3 times cheaper. So yeah, we're kind of like making a decision now on what to do. Messaged a few people on Facebook, and we might go do that instead of just save some money. Yeah, might have to get some cash out as well. So yeah, we're just having a little walkabout as per, and yeah, see what we do. Hopefully the people reply to us soon and we can get that, because obviously, you know, we can save some money there. Got the trolley, got the plans. Go on, I'll let you load it all up. I'll be a real man. You want to put that plant in first, you know, the big plant.
Yeah.
Squat, grab that. Just squat. Oh, the form there weren't too good, you know. A bit of an arch of a back there, Court, just saying. Looked like you had no battery. That's the receipt. Okay, and this is for the boys. Hopefully they're alright with that. If not, we'll just bring it back.
Just completed a good trip at IKEA.
Okay, secured. Stuff is secured. We're in the parking. Time to go get our desk.
Yeah, we're gonna go pick up our desk and chair, and then I think Sunday we're picking up our bed base.
Yeah, we've organised that. We've given the mattress to charity because you don't need the mattress.
Yeah, because it comes with a mattress, so.
So that's a good little deed. That can go to somebody.
Sorted.
So yeah, the plan came to much more than we thought.
Yeah, it was like
but anyway, $79. Fuck it, you get what you want.
yeah, get what you want.
Life's short, get what you want.
Oh.
It'll be worth it.
Our little baby.
Oh, baby. Right,
Our
go.
baby. Shing.
Weather's good, isn't it?
Yeah, lovely.
Cyclone number 2.
It's always so warm in Australia.
Yeah.
To be fair, it is warm though. We've got the aircon on.
Do you know what? Haven't seen one kangaroo. Have seen big spiders, to be fair.
Not that big though.
Not like that big, I'd say.
Yeah.
But we saw them in Thailand.
But they were
as well.
skinny and long.
Yeah,
like,
we saw them in Thailand.
Not like
seen
tarantulas.
Some lizards. Haven't seen any crocodiles. So, oh, and it's cheap here. Like everyone's like, oh, they're expensive, bro. You get paid so much more, and it's actually cheaper to live here. It's
not raining as much now.
No, now it's just we've obviously gone under a rain cloud. But yeah, it's just fucked. I don't know why people just.
A girl was talking about it online. She was saying how like it's actually not that expensive here at all. It's the same as the UK and Spain.
Yeah, you need to stop like believing all the shit you see on Facebook, Instagram, and
or what people
like,
say.
Just go experience it for yourself. Like you can't sit in your own house. And you know what's sad is some people who genuinely sit in their home country and never leave. Like they will never leave, and they'll just build perceptions of countries.
I mean, if you think of how much we just spent in IKEA, so we spent about
$240.
200, well, plus the 38, but say like 270. That's what that in euros. That's like 100 and.
Well, then I have to do that. That's like 150 euros.
It's not bad for all of that. We've got robes.
Oh mate, no.
Plants.
I think it's literally the same, pretty much. I don't know, if you're living in Spain, the cost of living in Spain is insane.
And then you get paid like shit.
And you get paid absolute shit. Like, okay, the lifestyle's good, you got a sun, but you got the sun here. Okay, maybe not today, but
that's a better angle.
We're going into winter, aren't we? So,
yeah.
I don't know.
It's autumn here.
Yeah, and if you're young, like, if you're like us and you want to build and you want to grow and you want to have a business, and you need to be in a place that, you know, supports you, helps you. You can't be in a place that literally makes your life harder, which Spain was. Spain would rob me dry of my taxes and just like, it wouldn't help you at all. And you have a bank account and slowly they just take money out of it. Not even
they still are, aren't
they? Yeah, they still are. They still take.
They're only taking like €4 or something, but still, we're like, what the hell is that?
It's when we're going to a bank over here and we can speak to them in English. Okay, we don't know yet, but maybe it's still new, naive. Okay, that's fine, but give us time and we'll figure it out for ourselves. But at least we're here trying it. And we're living our dreams, so that's good. We're on our way back home in the rain, driving the Beaver.
Look at this bad boy.
Oh, it's so nice. It's so weird to have this like on your vision board. Like I should pull my vision board up. This is literally on my vision board.
The X4?
It was the X6.
Close.
It's literally like a spitting image of it. Like,
so nice. Oh.
I'm going to focus on driving and then cut back. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you got some dirty hands. You're dirtying on my phone.
What, have I?
I don't know, maybe. Anyway.
Yeah, I haven't. Look.
Whatever. Look at the size of the house. Look at the size of the house.
Yeah, some of these houses are massive here.
Yeah, we've just come to pick up the desk and chair, and it's really nice. Really happy with it.
Chair just needs a little clean, but
chair needs
easy.
clean on the wheels, which is normal. There's a house up here, which is like it's like an old American like
street.
No, what's that?
What?
Oh, there's a German Shepherd.
Oh.
What is that?
Oh, what's that? We're like ready.
This reminds me of like Red Dead Redemption.
It's kind of a bit. It looks like a haunted house.
Do
you know what I mean?
But yeah, the desk secured, chair secured. Then we just need the bed, and we're kind of done.
Yeah, pretty much. And then maybe a mirror, but.
Yeah, the mirror as well. We can probably get that one.
Care for our wildlife.
Slow down.
Still waiting to see a koala and a kangaroo.
Still not seeing them. Still have not seen them.
No snakes. We literally did see a spider, but it wasn't. I don't think it's like a spider to care about.
We told them about this earlier. Anyway, no need to bore you with that. We're gonna go get this all home. And Courtney's starting a certificate of a real estate license, so we're gonna push for that for the next few days. Whoop, up. So yeah, see you in a minute. Right, and we're back home. We've cleaned everything up. I'm going to give you a little presentation of our work. We have a bed coming on Sunday, so we're excited about that. But yeah, watch it. Yeah, the bed's currently on the floor. The desk looks really good with the plant. Wardrobe's open though, nice one, Courtney.
Sorry.
It's got a new robe on. We were going for hotel vibes, beige and white, and we did it. I think we did really well. Nice and sophisticated. The plant looks really good as well. But yeah, the lights in here are all just really white, so we've got a nice little warm light that matches up with it. And yeah, looking good. As soon as we have that bed, that's gonna be so much higher up and look so much better.
Yeah.
Still raining out here, but it's not bad. It's actually really nice that it's raining because it was just really hot when we arrived. But yeah, so bed come in, cookie coming in a month. Need to get a job. That is really important mainly. Courtney, like I said, gets news on Monday, and yeah, I'm gonna start searching as well. She's starting a certificate. Just wanted to get everything organised and sorted because obviously I need to be doing bits while she does other bits. So she's more of an admin person, I'm more of like the physical labour. So yeah, that's kind of how we organise ourselves. But I'm gonna, hopefully this wasn't too long of a video. Might have been a bit of a boring one as well, IKEA. Might have been entertaining to watch as well. But yeah, we're now officially in Oz. We've not even been here a week. We've got the house sorted. Maybe I can do a house tour video and a proper car video as well at some point. And yeah, I'll talk about my plans as well and get that up on a video and maybe teach people a few more things through helping and talking videos. But yes, leave it at that. Goodbye and see you on the next one. Bye.